How's it going? So, I made this string last night. Got everything done perfectly. Served her up, fit the knocking points. Added my balls, puffball silencers. As I was trimming them, with ye old scissors, I've nicked the string with the back of them, which are quite sharp, and I've severed two strands partially. So, being a 14 strand Dynaflight 97 string, in my humble opinion, it's still usable with 12 complete strands on a, I think it's 40 or 50 pound bow, don't remember. So I'm going to salvage it, send it up to the customer anyway, and recommend that he can use it as an emergency string, just to keep in his pack or whatever. So what I'm going to do is try and serve over it with this white serving. That'll hopefully go partially towards protecting it, but he'll also be able to hopefully keep an eye on the area if he does do any major shooting. So what I'm going to do is just 5 or 6, 7, 8. Pull it tight. They're just standard hobby type pliers, engineer made in Japan, spring loaded. Okay, let's move this down a bit so it's beyond the damaged area. Alright, and oops, proceed to serve over the old nick. Now, I haven't done this before, but I don't see any reason why it won't. Why it won't work. I wouldn't use this as a main string. Maybe I would. I wouldn't recommend anyone else using this as a main string, because there's just no guarantee that it's not going to let go. That looks alright. Pull it. And I'm going to cut it. And I'm going to secure the serving with a whatever type of knot this is called. Grab it with ye old pliers. Pull it tight. I don't want to get much purchase on this skinny old serving. There we go. Oh yeah. Grab this side. Pull it tight. Right, I am going to melt the ends ever so slightly, just to provide one last line of defence. And then I'm just going to melt the residual strands. There we go. one partially repaired, semi-destroyed Dynaflight 97 bowstring with proprietary silencers. Cheers, catch us later. Any questions, let me know.